Welcome back to the EON Reality podcast. Today, we're diving into one of the most urgent issues in education: AI-driven academic integrity challenges.
That's right. With 92% of students now using AI tools and traditional assessments like essays losing their value, degrees and certifications are at risk of being devalued. Institutions are struggling to ensure that credentials actually represent real skills.
And this is where EON Reality's latest innovation comes in: the EON Integrity Suite. Instead of focusing on AI policing, it shifts assessment toward authentic, performance-based demonstrations.
Exactly. Students can't just generate an answer with AI, they have to show what they can do. From virtual science experiments to simulated surgeries or even business negotiations, the platform ensures students demonstrate verifiable real-world competence.
And it doesn't just benefit students. Faculty save time with automated grading and accreditation-ready evidence, while employers gain confidence that a credential reflects genuine ability.
It's a transformation from reactive policing to proactive authenticity. EON Integrity Suite restores trust in academic and professional credentials while preparing learners for the real world.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.